Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna recreate this Huda Beauty's rose gold palette. It is in the version of remastered. And for this, let's get started. I'm totally excited for this palette and let's begin. I'm using the Himalaya toner just to tone my face first. Guys, I'm a bit nervous and I hope I'll try to create the same kind of look. So first I'm starting off with the Swiss Beauty liquid illuminator just to bring that so much of glow what Huda has got. Guys, I highly recommend this liquid illuminator. It's really nice in an affordable price. And now to prime my face, I'm using this Nykaa Prep Me Up. It is a nice silicone base, instantly mattifies and blurs the pores. Just using it on my T-zone. And now after this, I'm gonna use the full coverage foundation. This is from the brand Maybelline. All of us know it is one of the best foundation. It is a full coverage foundation and perfect for my skin. If you are oily or combination skin or even normal, you're gonna love this. But if you guys are in the drier side, use lot of moisturizer under it and you are good to go. Guys, see, because of the liquid illuminator and the primer, the foundation is blending so well. Even having any kind of serum on the face just before the foundation blends the foundation very easily and hardly takes seconds to blend. And now for the eyebrows, I'm gonna use this Nykaa eyebrow palette. I am done. And now to bake and set my face, I'm using this purple Set and Bake banana powder. It instantly mattifies the skin and gives you a brightening effect. It is in the yellow tone. Guys, when everything becomes matte, your lips start to crack. So I'm using this moisturizer. This is a lip balm from Wadi. Guys, I'm so happy to have this palette finally. It is such a beautiful palette and so I wanted to create the same look. Look at these shades, guys. This is just the palette what you need for all kind of looks. And now let's get started. I first started with the lightest shade. The shade name is Demure and this is the lightest shade in the palette. It is a nice peach and a combination of pink. You all can see it's such a beautiful eyeshadow. It is just the color of your flesh. And now picking the shade Henna, I'm gonna create a crease since I have hooded eyes. You all can see by doing this, you all can instantly create a crease line. Guys, never pick too much of eyeshadow at once because you're going to end up messing everything. Pick one by one, dust off the excess and then go on. And now picking the shade Man Eater. This is in a dark reddish maroon color, which is such a beautiful color. Just applying it above the crease and on the sides. Picking the shade Rescue, it is in a dark mauvey pink. Beautiful color, blends beautifully. This eyeshadow palette is totally pigmented. Just applying it on my outside and the inside of the eye corners, leaving it empty in the center. Guys, I'm so blank. Which shade should I pick next? You all can see. And now finally I have chosen this shade. It is in the rose gold and just applying it in the center. Oh my god, the formula is so good. And now above this I am using the shade Pink Diamond. Oh my god, the formula is so good. It's like a butter. And as you see on the palette, Huda has a lot of sheen in center of her eyelid. So I have tried doing the same thing, blending it all well once again. And now picking the same light shade from the palette, I'm going to apply it above my crease. You all can see immediately everything looks so much blended. There are no harsh lines now. Not bad at all. And now once again, to create that chromo look in the center of the eye, I'm using the shade Pink Diamond. Just applying it again. Till now going good, and so excited for further. So now I have quickly fixed my falsies and done. Now to contour my face, I'm using this Wet n Wild contour, one of my most favorite contour shade. It's perfect for my skin tone. Guys, when I see this Huda, the photo what is on the eyeshadow palette, she has no blush. So I'm gonna skip the blush today. After the contour. Guys, if you all want to learn how to contour, please do comment. I would make a separate video on it. Here I am showing you all, always your contour should go between your nose and lips. That looks a perfect contour, and blend it well. And now when I see the Huda palette, Huda is glowing like a disco ball. For this I am using this Flower Beauty palette. This is a trio palette, but I love the highlighter shade from this. Oh my god, it is so pigmented and beautiful glow what it gives. Guys, if you're looking for a trio palette which has got a blush, contour and a highlighter which is so good at the formula, you all can simply pick this. One of my most favorite palette, face palette. And oh. Guys, can you all see the blingy glow? And now for the lipstick, I am trying to use the same shade what she has worn, similar one, which is in a pink kind of mauve color, which exactly matches the eye. This is from the Nykaa liquid matte lipsticks in the shade Boho. Guys, now I'm trying to create this chromo look on the lip, because when I move the palette, her eyes and lips bling, which I will be showing it later. And now just on the tip of my lip, I'm gonna create this using the same eyeshadow, the Pink Diamond. Now I'm gonna pick the Man-Eater again and gonna apply just under the eye. Using the shade Bubbly, I am going to apply it on my tear duct to highlight my eye. And now using the same shade, I'm gonna apply it on my brow bone. Guys, this palette is too pigmented, so be careful when you're using it. I have tried to create the same kind of look. I hope you all appreciate it. So happy to create this Huda eye look. I've just added the eyeliner here. And the lips, can you all see the chromo finish? And now to set everything, I'm using this pack fixing spray and adding more of the highlighter again. Guys, it is not at all necessary to have the same palette to create this look. You all can use any kind of eyeshadow with the similar colors and create this look. But if you all can do buy this palette, it is so amazing. Guys, for us, so many other things brings us happiness, but for me, makeup and skincare brings me so much of happiness and inner peace. I really can't express. And you all can already see the love for makeup. Putting my best, I have tried to create this similar kind of look to Huda. So guys, if you like this look, please do give a like and also subscribe.